For developers constructing apps and websites, as well as individual users storing their data, cloud storage has effectively supplanted the conventional concept of actual hardware storage. However, the centralized providers of cloud storage services have created a system with significant problems, such as expensive rates, limited flexibility, and a lack of alternatives. In this video, we will compare Filecoin and Internet Computer. What makes ICP and FIL special? And what are the main similarities and differences between them? What is Filecoin and what makes it unique? Filecoin is a decentralized storage system with the goal of storing humanity's most vital information. In 2017, the project raised $205 million in an initial coin offering, or ICO, with a target launch date of mid-2019. The Filecoin main, on the other hand, has been delayed until block 148,888, which is due in mid-October 2020. Back in 2014, the project was touted as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, or IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol supported by a blockchain that records the network's participants' commitments, with transactions conducted in FIL, the blockchain's native currency. The blockchain is built on both replication and spacetime proofs. Filecoin's goal is to store data in a decentralized fashion. Unlike cloud storage providers such as Amazon Web Services or Cloudflare, which are prone to centralization issues, Filecoin uses its decentralized nature to maintain the integrity of a data's location, making it easily retrievable and difficult to censor. Decentralized storage systems, such as Filecoin, enable people to be their own custodians of their data, while also making the internet more accessible to people all over the world. Because participating in the Filecoin network by mining and storing is directly tied to receiving more block rewards. Filecoin encourages users to be honest and keep as much data as possible. What is Internet Computer and what makes it unique? Internet Computer, or ICP, is a decentralized blockchain network launched by the Definity Foundation in May 2021, with the global purpose of pushing the frontiers of internet functionality and supporting smart contract development on a bigger scale. Among the project's benefits are a skilled staff of crypto aficionados and the possibility for smart contracts, which allows developers to create dApps. Furthermore, ICP provides nearly infinite scalability and a high level of security maintained through a check system. The overarching goal of Internet Computer is to transform the public internet into a world-class computing platform. Because the blockchain is publicly available and has outstanding capabilities, the developers present Internet Computer as a revolutionary network. Furthermore, the initiative provides a borderless environment for smart contracts that execute at web speed and with low computing expenses. Developers can use Internet Computer to construct dApps and deploy their code to the internet. Furthermore, transactions can be executed in less than a second and at a minimal cost using ICP. The project's authors claim that it allows users to opt out of centralized services and commercial cloud services. The key distinguishing feature of ICP is its use of decentralized technologies on the internet. The project aims to restore power to developers and ordinary internet users by enlisting the help of those who host and participate in the network. The goal of Internet Computer is to expand the current public internet by introducing chain key technology, a set of cryptographic protocols made up of several components, including threshold relay, a consensus model, non-interactive distributed key generation, or NIDKG, network nervous system, or NNS, an on-chain governance system, and decentralized identity, also known as Internet Identity. What are the main similarities and differences between them? Filecoin is a network of peer-to-peer storage. ICP can host smart contracts that run arbitrary backend code and store data in memory plus stable memory. ICP, in particular, is computed and throughput optimized, which means it can execute a significant amount of computation, while handling a relatively large volume of transactions, particularly compared to other blockchains. Furthermore, it can hold a large amount of data, far more than previous blockchains. Filecoin is primarily concerned with storage. Its code execution capabilities are limited to serving static websites, which is client-side, not server-side. Furthermore, Filecoin is not blockchain. It is a blockchain that incentivizes or rewards Filecoin nodes for keeping specific objects, but Filecoin is primarily a peer-to-peer storage system. A closer analog might be BitTorrent. FIL and ICP are both tradings at roughly $5 and have a market cap of about $1.2 billion. In circulation are approximately 225 million FIL coins and 241 million ICP coins, while the maximum supply is either unknown or infinite. As the comparison above shows, ICP and Filecoin are completely distinct creatures. While they do intersect in certain respects because they both store data, Filecoin is purely storage-oriented, whereas ICP can efficiently run and scale smart contracts. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you like what we do, and I will see you in the next video.